Good morning, guys. So it's now Saturday. You know the drill. Hot water. Um. So yesterday was Friday. It's now Saturday. Yesterday was a pretty busy day for me. Friday, I had a lot going on. I gave you some news about what we're doing. With the whole signing of the lease, all of that. So I let by this video, I would have let the cat out the bag and told you that I'm getting back in the restaurant space. Found a space, signed off on it yesterday. So the clock started from yesterday pretty much. We're gonna be building this 5 months, in 5 months. So it's a white box we're gonna be doing from scratch. So we need architect plans, drawings, submitting those plans to the county, getting them reviewed, getting them approved, start building. It's gonna be a lot. So the clock started yesterday. However, yesterday's video I'm gonna post it today, Saturday, because it was so busy yesterday. Last night, by the time I got home from the salon, it was like after 12, after I done doing that test paint wall. It was so late. I tried to do some editing and then I reached like 3/4 way through. I was sleepy, tired, couldn't go no more. So I am gonna finish up that video right now. Once I finish that video, then I'm gonna post it now. So it's now Saturday morning. I'm gonna post Friday's video right now, and then I'm gonna vlog today's footage, post it tonight. So it's now Saturday. I'm gonna post Friday's video Saturday morning. So just like what I was saying, sometimes it might be busy. I might not be able to. It might not work out where I post that day, that night. You know what I'm saying? So today is going to be 2 videos. I'm going to drop one today, and then later on tonight when I'm done, I'm going to drop today's video. This video I'm talking about tonight. It might be confusing, but it'll work out. So I'm just gonna, I just woke up, it's what now? I got up like 8. It's now 8:42. We're gonna finish up this video real quick, put it to upload. It'll upload in maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours maybe, and then I'm gonna start this vlog right now. All right, so let's get to it. Yeah, let's get to it. It's a rainy day today, guys. Pretty much it's gonna be a wet one. Yeah, I'm panning left to right because I'm trying to mess with how fast the gimbal goes to the left. So I'll be doing a lot of weird stuff when I'm filming. It's just because I just got the camera, so I'm trying to learn how it works. You know, sometimes I realize it takes a while for it to pan around. You know, so it's panning around. It still didn't go all the way around. So I'm just trying to figure out how to work the camera. The same time. But yeah, it's pretty much a wet day today. You see the rain falling, the grass is getting good water, you know, grass is looking good. Backyard look wooded, but it's actually not. There's a house back there, way in the right there, right behind these bushes right here. Houses are all the way in there, but this is how Georgia is. It just has a lot of trees and wood, and you know, comes like, it feels like Jamaica. It's just different trees. They ain't fruitful. Trees in Jamaica. Back here you'd have so many fruit trees. These are all pine trees and oak and trees that give off a lot of pollen. That's the only difference in the islands, the islands and Jamaica where I'm from. It's a lot of fruit trees that will be growing here, but a lot of fruit trees don't grow here because of the weather. It gets real cold. When it gets cold, the trees die. So most fruit trees won't grow here in Georgia. So yeah, just showing you guys a little bit of clip of outside. It's raining today. It looks like it's gonna rain all day. It's good for the grass. It's been dry lately. So today I'm gonna head by the salon. I was there late last night, so I already cleaned up, so it should be good. I didn't have to go in early this morning, but I'm here finishing up all these video editing I have to do for yesterday's video, for Friday's video. It's now Saturday, so I'm going through all this footage. It's like 2.5 hours worth of footage, almost 3, but I'm cutting it down to maybe an hour and a half. Yeah, I'm trying to get it down to about an hour and a half. So that's what I'm here doing, guys. I am gonna go on the road. I gotta sometime today I'm gonna swing by the new location, the space we just signed. So I'm gonna swing by there, show you guys what's going on right there. If the rain, if it doesn't fall all day. I still have the room that I was painting, that full finish. I did a sample wall so the tenant could take a look at it. We're trying to figure out, I never done it before, so I'm trying to figure out how to get it done, and see if we come up with a look that she wants. As I said, I'm just trying it. They insist for me to try it. I was telling them to, get a professional. It's not something I didn't want to mess with. However, they insisted. I said, all right, I'll try. The way it came out last night, when it's wet, it has the look that I think would be the full finished look. But as it starts to dry, that textured look, it just end up drying and looking flat, like a flat paint, right? So I don't know, I'm thinking they use 2 different color paint to do this full finish, this textured wall looking thing. She only bought 1 paint, that lime paint thing. I watched the videos, and the videos from that place didn't suggest using 2 different colors. The instruction on the paint didn't say anything about 2 different colors. So maybe it's just application. It's the way I am doing it. Maybe they did say you gotta put 1 coat, let it dry, and then come back and then put those texture look with a sponge or a paintbrush in it. I let 1 section dry last night and then came back, but when it dry completely, it end up looking just like a flat colored wall, no texture. So I don't know what's going on there. Some YouTube videos I'm watching, they use 2 different shades of paint, that lime wash paint. They use 2 different colors. So I'm thinking that's what we might have to do. It's like you paint a base color and then you come back with a darker color and give it that texture look. So I'm gonna go down here in a minute, take a look at that, see what it looks like, and then head over to the new spot. I have 2 other rooms in there that I need to sand those holes. And I remember, if anybody following, I patched some holes. I was letting it dry. So I'm gonna sand those holes real quick, put some paint on it, and clean those rooms. Have those. It's the 2 small room that I'm gonna use for a daily rental room. Those are the 2 rooms I'm gonna try and finish fixing. So I'm here finishing up this editing and then head on to the salon and over by the new location, hopefully. Alright, I forgot to move the car out, so I may have missed a couple calls, but I'm gonna move it out right now. Look at it, guys. There's the phone number if you wanna be interested in Nice Mercedes. There it is right there. Runs and drives real good. It's got new tires. It has a little small ding on the bumper right there, a little small ding on the hood right there. It's just cosmetic stuff that's wrong with it, no major issues. And then you have a little chip right there, but as far as the rest of it, it's good. No major issues, just cosmetic issues, no engine issues.
We were going through customs. We went through baggage claim. And as we stood around baggage claim, we saw all the locals. Because this
First ad campaign with
Burger
TikTok
yeah,
Ads
bud.
Manager. If you haven't created your ad video yet,
So we move the car out to the road, out on the street. Alright, so we here at Home Depot. We getting the brush so we could paint that, finish putting the second coat on that full finish. Alright guys, so in this room we're pretty much just gonna do a quick sand. The walls are almost good in here, so you know we're just gonna do a quick sand on like couple spots, like right here, right there, and then two over there. So it's not much work on this one. It's these holes pretty much came from the mirror. The mirror was over here, so I just moved it over, centered, and then patch those holes. So I'm just gonna patch them, paint it real quick. Once I paint it, then I'm gonna clean the floors, and then this room will be done. This room is the room we're gonna use for a quick daily rental. So because we're doing daily rental in this room, there ain't nothing gonna be in here. Right now we just got a washboard, a chair, and this. There's a girl coming tomorrow. She's interested in renting it for the summer. It's gonna be she does braiding, so she don't even need a washboard. So we're just gonna take the washboard out and use a chair with a mirror, and then we'll get a stand, a cupboard for her. That's pretty much it. It's like a short-term rental on this one. Not gonna be crazy. Yeah. So yeah, it's just this. We got two holes right here. And one right here. Yeah, so we still recording? Yeah, we still recording. Sorry about that break. I'm gonna have to edit out that break. I was next door fixing the pipe real quick. Nothing was wrong with the pipe, by the way. It's just those sensors. If you have black gloves on, it doesn't pick up. But the pipe doesn't like black. If it's light, or if you put something black like this in front of the sensor, the pipe doesn't work, it doesn't turn on. You put a white piece of napkin, it works. So sometimes if you have black latex gloves on, it don't make that sensor. This is what I'm talking about. Pretty much, this is what I'm talking about. So this right here, see how it works when you put your hand right there? But if you get something black, let's see. See, it doesn't come on once you put something black in front of it. So the tenant was she had black gloves on, so when you have the black gloves it won't come on. Yeah, so that's what I'm talking about. However, we got our wall sand right here. Notice you can't these walls are defective. They got patch all over. This room is nice and white looking from here, but this room had so many things hung on the wall over the years. It's just patch on top of patch on top of patch. I didn't do this. This was here. This room was horrible. We got it like this, but you know, one day I'll probably you know, sand this down more and then just mud the whole section so it kind of looks smooth again. So there's a couple rooms I'll have to do that. This is one of them, this section right here, and then if you look over here, this section right here, you can hardly see it, but this section is real bad as well. You know, see like right here, those was just previous patch from over the years. I guess they keep hanging stuff on the wall, take it down, patch it, hanging stuff. This room, we never did any patchwork in this room. This is the first we're gonna actually do this patch. We painted it, but we didn't patch any patchwork on this room. So eventually I'm gonna probably get this room redone. This is one of them where the walls are real bad, a lot of blemishes and patchwork. Yeah, so on this side, this wall is a new wall. This wall is actually new, so it wasn't, you know, it's gonna be nice and smooth, you know, nice and smooth. Then we put this mirror. There is a hole right there, a small tiny hole from the mirror. I'm just gonna paint that back black and do this section white. All right, I'm gonna get the paint and get started. So this room right here is a smaller room. We're gonna do daily rental on this one. It's good for like a hairdresser or a hair braider who wants a small room for the day or for 2 days, 3 days, however long they want it. We got a wash bowl set up. It's not hooked up right now, but we can hook it up, you know, if they want to use it. If we're gonna do daily rental, I'll probably just hook it up and leave it. But we had somebody coming in tomorrow who might be taking it longer than just daily, so you know, I leave it unhooked. They don't need any bowl. They're a braider and they don't do washes. So this room pretty much could do daily rental or short-term rental. We do have another room which is right here. This room right here is it's a little bit shorter. It's the same width, but it's a little bit shorter. Also good for a hair braider or it wouldn't be good for a hairdresser, because the hairdresser is more than likely is gonna need dryers and, you know, dryer and a wash bowl, right? So this room, we're not gonna put a wash bowl in this room because it's too small, but it's good for maybe a barber who wants to do daily rental, or maybe like a hair braider, esthetician, facial people who does facials, or makeup artists. This room is good for you know, those people, daily rental, makeup artists mostly. We could put like one of those the wall mount, what do you call it, stations, wall mount station right there with a mirror, so it would look like a vanity for a makeup artist that they use. But we could, you know, put that in, but this is perfect for like a daily rental, hair braiders, makeup artists, esthetician, you know, those kind of people. No hairdressers in this room. This room just does not have a wash bowl and not enough space to put hair dryers and stuff like that. So this room, you know, won't work for that. But definitely the other one will. This one will. That one definitely will work. Yeah. But yeah, it's a nice, neat little room. It's smaller than the average rooms we have down there. It's a little bit smaller. Oh, yeah, and all this is filming with the new Pocket, DJI Pocket 3. This is showing you a transition from light to dark. Right now we have the night lights on, the sconce lights, so it's not that bright in here. So this video would probably give you a good example of what it looks like filming in the dark. It's not dark, but it's low light. This around this corner right here would be dark. That's dark. Lights came on. We got automatic lights in here, so once the sensors pick us up, it's gonna turn these on. The lights in the hallway will not turn on because of the those are on a timer, but the ones that goes to the bathroom turns on. Yeah, but the vlog today is not very long. I didn't do much today. I was working on the room, this room right here. I was working on the wall, that faux finish. However, the tenant didn't like the color of it. She bought it, I didn't buy it. She didn't like the color of it. She changed her mind and decided to go with just white walls. So the test wall we did, we were just gonna put it back white. So for now, I'm gonna probably close out this vlog. I'm gonna go home, get some to eat. It's now probably like after 9. I wouldn't say it's a full day. I got up here, it's 9 o'clock. I wouldn't say it's a full day. I got up early. I got up early today. The rain was falling this morning, so I pretty much did some editing and did all that today. Did some research online for the restaurant. Didn't do too much. I wasn't on the road, so I didn't do too much vlogging today. Had a few people come and look at the car, the Mercedes. One guy went for a test drive. I also have somebody come in the morning to take a look at it. So hopefully I could sell it over the weekend, get rid of that car, free up some space in the driveway. Yeah, so today I'm gonna close out this vlog. I'm just gonna go home, get something to eat. I might put that in there, whatever I make. I'll probably just put that in there for dinner and put that in the vlog and then close out the vlog from there. But yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. I mean, tomorrow is Sunday. I'm gonna probably come down and paint that one wall back into white in that room sometime tomorrow. But I'm gonna also go over by the new spot, see if we could do some vlogs over there and, you know, get something for Sunday. Sunday, I don't do much on Sunday, so that vlog might be a short vlog. So today might be a short vlog, tomorrow might be a short vlog. Anyway, I'll catch you at the house. I'm gonna whip up something to eat real quick and catch you at the house. Alright guys, so we have reached the end of Saturday's vlog. I just finished doing some editing. Today wasn't a lot went on today. As I said, just a quick recap. I'm at the house now. I just got something to eat. Whipped up some fried rice, some vegetable fried rice and a piece of fish. Today, not much. We did a lot today, but not, you know, a lot. So, you know, got up, it was raining pretty much. Couple people, 2 people, 1 person came and looked at the car. I got 3 more calls. Got somebody tomorrow coming to look at it again. So we just went down and did a little bit of work on the salon this evening, late evening. Did that, finish up that. Those 2 rooms are ready to be looked at tomorrow, pretty much. So we got those things done. I'm about to close this vlog out right now. It's now about 12 o'clock. Let's say it's 12 o'clock at night. I'm gonna get up tomorrow and start the vlog. Start off by meeting that guy to look at the car. Start tomorrow's vlog. Tomorrow might not be a long vlog either, because it's a Sunday. I'll probably take you guys over to the restaurant spot, just to show you that location. There's nothing there to see. It's just a white box, empty space inside our gas station. So we're gonna go over there and take a look at it tomorrow. if not Monday. But tomorrow I'll be just meeting with the guy to look at the car, and that should probably be about it. If it doesn't rain, maybe I'll cut the lawn out by the street, and that's gonna be it for tomorrow. And that's it for tonight. So see you in the morning. Have a blessed night.